A bird the size of a turkey walks through the forest. A sudden noise sends other birds into flight, but not the dodo. This bird can't fly. Dodo birds only lived on marshes. This small island in the Indian Ocean had no predators. Safe on their island, dodos had no need to fly. Over millions of years, dodos' wings became small. Dodos were too heavy to fly. Instead, they traveled on their yellow legs. Blue-gray feathers covered dodos' bodies. They had long, strong beaks. Dodos' closest living relatives are pigeons. Dodos lived their entire lives on the forest floor. They ate fallen fruits and nuts. They may have also eaten fish. Dodos made nests on the ground. Females laid a single egg. Dodos were watchful mothers. Dodos lived through the last ice age. Earth was cooler then, but ice and snow never reached marshes. Sailors came to the Dodos Island in 1598. The dodos walked right up to the men. The birds did not know to be afraid. Sailors ate dodos for food. The sailors' dogs and cats hunted dodos and their eggs. By 1693, the dodos had become extinct. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below.